I went to treatment in Nashville, and I had never moved out of New York State, and I was scared, and I was nervous. So I can relate to the patients when they come to us and they're scared. I understand that. I went to IOP, and I think IOP is awesome. I would suggest that to any patient here. I ended up running that halfway house, being the manager of that, and what a blessing. There was a lot of girls there that I helped. They helped me. They taught me about me, and we would sit down and we would discuss like codependency and post-acute withdrawal, you know, and we would do a discussion in a big book. And that I did that. If anybody ever told me that I would not get paid for doing a job and that I would love it, I would tell them they were nuts. I love what I do. I love helping the patient. I love it when there's that sparkle in their eye and you know that they got it. That's probably the most beautiful blessing anyone can receive. Thank you.